So when I was getting ready to do the coolant flush, I noticed that one thing that this radiator cover / lid was missing was the gas shock that holds it up. It goes from here to there. So I ordered a new one and let's get it in there. Because I was not sure of the condition of the mounting posts, I just ordered new ones. They were only a couple bucks. And who knows, the old ones might have been damaged to the point where they caused the shock to come off in the first place. So one of the first things I needed to do was to tie this lid up to the rear crossbar of the bucket arm so I could work on it safely without the risk of it coming crashing down on me. Yeah, the old one really doesn't look too bad, but you know, we got new ones, so I might as well replace them. You'll notice these new ones are already pre-Loctited. There we go. So this one, unfortunately, I couldn't get a socket on, so I had to use a wrench. And these are 12 millimeters, by the way. There's a little screw up top here you can't see that causes some clearance issues to getting a socket on here. This one's a bit more beat up. Okay, so now I've got these. I'm gonna take a screwdriver and I'm gonna just get under there and it pops the metal back, and it causes the lock mechanism to pull back, so it'll slip around. So let me do the hard one first, which is gonna be this one. Oh, never mind, these are the easy ones you just have to push on. So you don't even need to pull that metal tab back to get it on. You only need that when you want to pull it off. This one might be a little more difficult because I have to compress it a little bit to get it on the other stud. I might be able to push this up a little bit. There we go. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be. That's in there good. So that means I can release my tie up here. Let's pull all of my stuff down and give it a test. There we go. Great. Yay!
That's a funny looking nut.